Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And I just did a video about how to get this rounded corner on the front, or a sharp point, but a rounded corner. But I started thinking some people might want this rounded too. So how do you do that? I've actually done it right here, and it looks okay. It's not perfect. You could play around with it, but we need to select this thing and go up to Object, convert it to an outline, left click, right click. And now we can take this node and try to change it, but we're going to go to Windows Dockers Corners. And if you select that node, if it doesn't show you what it's going to do, go to Scallop and then come back to Fillet and look, it'll show you what it's going to look like. That doesn't look half bad. We could try a little bit less. We could go 0.15. Hit apply. That looks pretty good. You know, it's almost the same. The other way you could do it, since an object, go and break the curve apart and just take that inside one away. Now we've got a shape, and we can open up the contour docker, go to Effects, Contour, and we're going to contour to the outside. But you're going to get a point. So if we contour to the inside, you're going to get a curve. Now that's almost the exact same curve we had. It does look pretty good, you know, especially if you're going to fill it in with the Smart Fill tool. Let's quit using green and start back to black. It does give it a total different look. I actually still like probably the sharpness to match the bottom, but we do have a rounded corner there. So you could do the exact same thing on the bottom too. You know, you could take that same shape. So we need to break the contour apart, grab that node, open that window back up, Docker Corners, and see how it's not showing you what it's going to do. But if you hit Scallop and go back to Fillet, well, maybe it's just not enough. It's just barely a little bit of a curve, which maybe would be the best thing. That looks pretty good, especially if you take it and fill it in with black. Total different look. I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.